Greetings everyone, and thank you guys for coming back. This is my third video today. So I'm up against the time on my phone because my phone is giving me trouble and it's not charging properly. So we're going to see how far this video goes. So what I really want to do is I'm doing more DIYs, stretch bracelets, and we're going to use these pearl-like beads, and we are going to use this lime color bead, and I've already got this blue bead. This is approximately 7.5 inch bracelet, so all of these will be like 7.5 inch bracelets, just like these are, and 0.7 millimeter stretch cord, stretch magic, and basically scissors to cut your stretch cord and nothing else. That is it, and all my beads are the same size. So we're going to get into this before the video go out. So I'm hoping it'll stand because it had like 19 minutes on there, and I'm doing under 19 minutes. See how fast I can do 2 bracelets. And on the 19 minutes, huh? Wow. I'm sure some people could do it. But this would be my first time. Then if you come into a problem like with some of these beads, but the hole might be a little close, that's a different story right there, right? So guess what? I was able to make my smoothie. If you go back and listen to my last video that I did, see, I've made so many videos, I can't even think of the title of it. I think it's the one that said, oops, did I do that? Or something to that effect. And you'll see, I'll talk about this smoothie. It's a straw. All I used was strawberries and bananas. And I used the Shaboni. It's a vanilla flavored wheat. Not wheat. What type? Vanilla flavored Shaboni type milk. And that's all. I didn't use any added sugars or anything. And guys, it turned out awesome. The flavor, you know, with just the amount of sweetness that you need to taste, and nothing erratic in it. So right now, that's holding me down, considering I haven't had anything to eat all day. And I used a little coconut water in it, too. I found this great coconut water that I love to drink. But we're not, you know, talking about that. We're talking about our bead in here. So these are probably, to me, they like between a 6 and an 8 millimeter bead. And I picked these beads up out of Hobby Lobby, and they were on sale. They came with 2 or 3 on the strand for like, they had marked them down to like $1.49, I think. So we just matching bracelets because these are going to be in a set, what I call like a timeless set. You always have them. You know, if you treat them properly, they'll treat you properly. You know, don't, you know, do any excessive things with them. You know, your jewelry will last, and to maintain your jewelry also. So I did 2 knots, and now I'm gonna do this. I love to, see, I don't really stretch it like a lot of people do. They pre-stretch. I don't really do that because I stretch mine towards the end like this. That's how I do mine. And I'm using this Loctite, but you could use any type of glue you choose to. And a lot of people say once you put the glue, I'm hearing, just let the glue set, you know, 24 hours. So I'm going to do this one more time because I don't have a big bead here. We're going to see how these feed through the hole. You know, in the last one, they broke, right? And these are so thin Okay. I don't like most people. I have to eat, honey. When I don't eat my see, you can't even see. Let's see that. Timeless collection. Okay. So now we're gonna do 3. Hopefully my film will hold up. We're 5 minutes into this. So I don't know if y'all notice how they pushing these trends. I don't too much get into the trends like that. That ain't my thing, to be honest with you. Because I believe you wear what you want to wear when you want to wear. Because everybody is not on the same trend. And everybody is not on the same style. You know, we like different things. We like different colors. You know, we're all not the same. But I guess if you're out here selling stuff, yeah, at least you want to have some trendy pieces, but I ain't into that. I'm like, do you, boo? And somebody asks you, say, oh, sure, I can do that for you. It's like being good to yourself and being good to your creativity and no one else's. That's where I'm at with it. I tend to take the things of the world and kind of do reverse. You know, I'm gonna say this here, like they that word in that Bible say, you're just a soldier and you're journeying through. You didn't come here to stay. You're just passing through. I love to say that. I'm just passing through this kingdom, honey. I love to say those words. I didn't come here to stay. I know this is not my home. It's a beautiful sight, and I'm going to enjoy it while I'm here in the so-called latter part of my life. And that's what I'm doing. I love beautiful, beautiful beads. I love making different designs. Some of them might be beautiful, and some may come out kind of flat. But you know what? That's okay. That is all right. So we are just beading. This is this is going to be like a DIY video on how to making simple, timeless stretch bracelets with these beads, which you can never go wrong. Now, when I'm gone, these things will be put in what they call it, not eccentric, but everybody love to go and what they call that stuff when they go and get old stuff. What do you call it? I forget the name of it. You see my mind be going and come. You got to realize a mama, grandmama here. You know what I'm saying? Kind of deal. So this is another one made. What that stuff everybody like? The vintage. Everybody like vintage stuff. I kind of like the older stuff too, but I just don't see getting all that stuff and just collecting it. You know what I'm saying? You're getting stuff and you collecting it, and you got dust growing all on that stuff. What did the Bible say about don't collect all that stuff here? Where the dust mites and all that stuff could get into it. You're not supposed to collect stuff like that. You're supposed to enjoy it and release it. That's just me, but we ain't, you know, get into all that. Yeah, when people learn not to, don't hold on to all the stuff. Make it, sell it, let other people enjoy it. They don't. So here we go, we down again. Can't even see it. Another one. So we're gonna do one more, and then I'll do a video, you know, later on. I go back and watch these and see how I, you know, did with them. Sometimes the best thing to do is just come on in and do the video. And even though I don't do all that editing, because right now I can only do a little bit. Because see, I'm kind of old school when it comes to all this technology. So until I could, you know, build my channel up and get some help with it, this is what I have to do now. So I hope this is maintainable, you know, and pleasing to the eyes. You know, sometimes they got these beads all draped around there, and I need every last one of these beads. So I have to cut them all. Okay. I got that. And that's probably about 24 beads. And these fit very nice, and they're very comfortable, which I like. So we're just doing our little... And you can gauge your own stretch. Boom, just a little bit. Like I said, I'm going to be stretching it towards the end. And I might have to do just a tad bit just to get it. Isn't it amazing how you could take a little small piece of stretch and turn it larger? But anyway, guys. Then I'm going to show you later on with these colors, how to match some colors. Check my video. Okay, I'm 11 minutes into this, so I best to hurry up. And then come back and play around a little bit with some color. Okay. Oh, and one more thing. I do that in my other video. My next video. I want to thank someone for giving me a compliment on something. And I want to be able to show them the product, you know, that I use. That I've been using for years. It's a good product. And I didn't realize it. And when I went back and looked, I said, ain't too bad looking. But anyway, but thank you guys. And if you're just passing through YouTube land and you see this video, and you seem to, it was drawn to you and you see a little interest, come on, hit that subscribe button and show some love to Sunborn Creations over here. We're over here trying to grow our channel. Show us some love while we create some of these beautiful jewelry pieces out here. So we're going to finish off this, and I almost had my wire, but I can, you know, see that stretch. And it's going to relax. We're going to do this, and like I said, we ain't going to tie it too tight. And we're not going to stretch it too tight, because we'll get another, oops, what did I do? And this is what I like to do, make sure that knot is tight in there. And put a little bit of this on there, because if you don't, guess what? That knot might unravel on you. If it's not drawn tight, and we're just going to bring it up like this. And this is it. I used to tie all them freaking knots in there, and then you couldn't get the bead through there. But with these little small beads, I knew it was a simpler way of doing this. And they feed straight through the hole. At least most of the time. So, there you go. We're going to put this one on. Beautiful classic. You got your light apple greens. You got your beautiful purple. I'm getting more and more into purple. This is like a beautiful dove light blue. This is like an Easter egg collection right there. But thank you guys. And when I come back, I will show you how I'm pairing these with some other bracelets, okay? Thank you. And we will catch you in the next one.